This is a keys tutorial, how to play Turn to Jesus by Brenton Brown in the key of A. Here are the verses. I'll play it and then I'll teach it. We are found in the presence of your glory. We are found. We awaken to the joy of heaven's sound. And the song singing over us is loud. Alright, so what that is we are just having A repeating. On the electric keyboard, I'll put a delay on that to give it kind of a ringing sound. But on acoustic, I would just play that straight. You have this little piano riff at the end of each line, and it's F sharp, E, C sharp, B. And then the rest is sitting on that A and just changing your root chord. So it's A, then A and D, then A and F sharp, then A and D. And that's the verses. You're going to do that same style. If we open with the chorus and we just teach the chorus to begin with, I would play it that same way. So your chorus chords are A, B minor, so I'm just doing root A, B minor, F sharp, D. You would do that same kind of thing if we were to open with that chorus. That would be the only chorus I would play like that. Let me teach you the fancy chorus. I'm going to teach the chorus. Your main shape is a C sharp, an E, and an A. And then your bass hand will do the A, B, F sharp, and D. On each of the second ones, so on the B, I'm going to take my pinky up to a C sharp. And on the F sharp to the D, I'll take my pinky up to a D. So it sounds like this. Is your bass hand just switches chords pretty quickly. We turn to Jesus.